Poor use of a contraction. You know what this song needs, Casey? I think it needs a guitar solo.
You know what? A guitar solo would be really nice right here, man. Oh, there it is. There it is. You see that?
I do. Listen to all those hammer-ons and pull-ups, legatos.
Well, you know what would make this even better? A slide right about now.
Slide, that was great.
Oh, he did it. He did it. He nailed it.
Wow.
But can he pull it off? He did? Oh, he's at the 40, the 30, the 20,
Can
red line.
he nail it?
Can he do it? Can he do it?
I don't know if he can hit the post.
Oh, he did it. He did it.